Fueled by a passion for service, Rotaract Ahmed's journey in Rotaract began in 2013 in the Rotaract Club of Colombo North. Starting as the coordinator of public relations and media, Rotaract Ahmed's dedication led him to being recognized as an editor in the years 2015-16 and as the secretary of the Rotaract Club of Colombo North in 2016-17. His desire to make a bigger impact grew. In the years 2017-18, Rotaract Ahamed became the president of the Rotaract Club of Colombo North. This year was a resounding success, with the club achieving the prestigious Most Supportive Club Award during his presidency. His leadership ambitions didn't stop there. In the years 2018-19, he stepped on to the Rotaract District Steering Committee as an International Service Director, fostering global connections and impactful projects across the district, which was followed by his appointment as an Assistant District Rotaract Representative in the years 2020-21. Finally, he was elected as the District Rotaract Representative for the years 2022-23, leading and inspiring countless Rotaractors across the district. His journey in Rotaract has been about creating positive change, fostering connections, and inspiring others. Dear Rotaractor Ahamed, your dedication to Rotaract is an inspiration to us all. We are incredibly grateful for your leadership, service, and the legacy you have left behind. This is the Lifetime Achievement Award presented to past District Rotaract Representative, Rotarian Rotaractor Past President, Ahmed Suleiman Hussain.